Exe, this is Lily Hlonolo from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. We test relationships. If your partner is loyal, we give you 1,000 rand. If your partner is cheating, we give you therapy. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you're stuck with my girlfriend there.
Why are you cheating?
It's how's it? Sure. My name is Lily Hlonolo. I'm from CMTV. I want to ask you a few questions to test if your partner is loyal. If your partner is loyal, he give you 1,000 rand.
Okay, let's give it a try, man.
Yeah. Please come this side. Gents, please come this side a little bit. So, okay, let me come this side. So, I'm gonna give you 1,000 rand right now if your partner is loyal.
Okay.
Yeah, like right now. So, what's your name?
My name is Busizo.
Sibusiso.
Yeah.
So, Sibusiso, how long have you guys been together with your partner?
We've been together for 6 months now. Yeah.
And what is your partner's name?
Kilebogile.
Okay. When last did you see Kilebohil?
2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Yes.
Okay. And are you happy in this relationship?
I'm the happiest man. You can even see me. I'm glowing. I'm the happiest man alive, my boss. Yeah, you can see.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna give you my phone to type your partner's numbers. Then I'm phone here, ne?
Okay.
And then after that, I'm gonna need you to be quiet, ne? So that she doesn't suspect that it's you. Because I get it, people can know what I. So yeah. Some people alert their partners. So I don't want you to.
Okay.
Yeah. Type your partner's numbers so that we can call fast.
Yes.
Tango. Isaac Khan. So wamtsepha mara like
Obvious. Give me them. I'm terrible. Obvious.
and when you have never done anything outside.
I wouldn't.
Yeah.
That's my queen there. That's my queen.
Yeah.
That's my queen, yeah.
Shout out. Trust is very important.
Yeah. Ish.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Yebo, njani?
I'm good. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we test relationships. We wanna give your partner 1,000 rand if you are loyal. So we wanna ask you a few questions to test if you're loyal. If you're loyal, your partner's gonna get 1,000 rand.
Oh, your partner yami.
Yeah, it's totally 1,000 rand.
Okay.
Is your partner light skinned or dark skinned? Dark skin or light skin umuntu wakho? Hello. Umuntu wakho dark skin or dark skin? Or unaye manje kwenzakalani? Wangathi
Utuka show. Ushow le tobinisa 1,000 rand.
Yebo.
Okay.
Yeah, umuntu wakho light skin or dark skin?
When then muntu wami?
Dark skin or light skin?
Wayobuza ulai.
Okay. And one last did you see umuntu wakho?
Ngamendeni?
When last did you see umuntu wakho? Uqeleni ukubona umuntu wakho?
Bengina ekseni namonto.
Okay. And how long have you guys been dating?
Neminyaka munye.
Okay. And igama lomuntu wakho?
Mfizwe.
Sizwe.
Sizwe straight.
Yeah, mfizwe wayiba nobude.
Kilebogile awusangazi manje.
Hello.
Kilebogile. Ngathi hello angizwa kanti.
Ngobani?
Awusayazi voice yami manje. Usayazi ama voice abo Sizwe manje wena.
How baby?
Ungathi baby ubani wena ufuna noSizwe ukusizwa msho manje. Umgcine ekseni wamsho namanje usanayo. Ungathi baby, ngicela ungathi baby wena, ngicela ungathi baby ne. Uyamazi ubaby yini? Usizwe bani?
Bani kwenakala mina ngizizwe.
Usizo bani? Usizwe ngifuna usizwe mina. Usizo bani? Wesiphatha umgcine ekseni 1 year. Okay una 1 year wena. Okay una 1 year umngane nosizwe wena.
Angidoleli mina.
Una 1 year umngane nosizwe wena.
Phela ngisho mina bengazi.
Oh okay. Wena okay ukuphi manje? I'm sure sesifubeni manje as we speak. Usesifubeni wena. Unosizwe. Uyazwakala nosizwe wakhona kumnandi eClerk ne. Ungathi baby ubani ubaby? Ubiza bophiphi bangaki namhlanje? Uqalwe ngosizo uqedelela ngami.
Buka ngicela sikhulume.
Usikhulumeni into ezoyikhuluma la.
Ngiyakhuluma musi manje.
Sizwe just mngani wami ngisho ngizoya.
Oh umngane wakho nomngane obiza usizo wena ozwana for 1 year. We yellow bone ok. Yellow bone. Oh mina sengiyellow bone mina. Ngiyellow bone mina
Ngiyakhuluma
ngimhlophe.
musi manje.
Mina ngikanona nabo bani mina ngivisise yathi.
Yellow bone ubani?
Kwenakala lapho.
Ufuna kwenzakaleni wena ubhizi nabo sizwe la wena. Kile bukhulu ufuna ukunjwayela.
Wena so like you uthatha indaba tethu.
Ngathi ngithatha indaba zethu wena uyenzani ngosizwe manje wenzani nosizwe wesiphatha umgcine ekseni mina ngina 2 days ngakuboni.
Wasebenzisa condom yana nosi.
Amsha akayithandi lokuyithanda lo muntu uzosebenzisa kanjani angayithandi.
Yes.
Wena sowukhuluma ngami kabi labantu.
Ngikhuluma kabi ngikhuluma iqiniso. At least mina ngikhuluma kabi wena uyenza into ezimbi wena azukufanele.
Nasimfanele.
Okay.
Wathi okay
Wena bokucabanga ukuthi kwenzeke njani?
wena uyazine ngicela okay.
Ngithele kangaki?
Ngiye ngakuchitela mina.
Yeah, ungithithele last year 2 times ngithola nentombazane beyi-1.
Last year besingajoli last year sina 6 months mina nawe busy la. Last year besikhuluma nje kuphela uyibiza ngokuchita la direct.
Baby baba Shem baba.
Hayazi uhlale nosizwe wakho ne. Ngicela uhlale nosizwe wakho ngiyacela ne. Brayam.
Robin.
Amyeke ungisizile ne indaba nawe ufike late serious. Ungabe ufike at least before Valentine. Lo muntu manje mina ngispenda imali yami ye 14. Ngabe ufike at least Valentine. Come on. Man.
That's bad.
Abantu ngisizile. Awungisizile.
Sorry,
Sesiyazi ukuthi zabo sizwe.
You don't deserve what you went through.
It's fine. It's life.
You
It's
already
life.
spent Valentine, you spent the money.
Yo, you don't wanna know. You wanna know. I spent like 3K. I'm taking back Steve Maiden. I'm take Steve Maiden just for her. I'm sure I'm take wakhona manje lapha na kusizwe. Ngemali yami.
Iyo.
Mina myself ngiswanginayo Steve Maiden. Nomntwana kithi akanayo Steve Maiden. Ngiqale ukungena e-shop ye Steve Maiden for yena. Hayi.
Sorry man. Should I organize you counseling my guy?
I don't need counseling. Ngidinga umsebenzi wamadlozi straight once. Idlozi lami alisangikhidela kuyafana ngizothini. Bangilahlile akuyafana.
Sorry ne. All the best my guy.
Hayi ungisizile hayi ngizothini hayi ngiyabonga
Okay. This is Lily Hlaunola from CMTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, do everything. Yo, but at least you guys can see what I try, ne? Ke try go offer counseling, ke try go offer all these things. So I tried. Don't forget to subscribe. Tango, I'm out.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze nga find out iqiniso so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena
Bro,
ungihlanyisa wena don't make me mad. Tell me now.
tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho angithi sinase senzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?